Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you are watching this. Can you see? The inside of the Mini is painted. Oh yes! There are imperfections, there are runs, there are brush marks. Is 98% of it going to get covered over with something anyway? Yes. Am I over the moon? Yes. Let me take you off the tripod and you can have a proper look. This colour, oh, it's amazing. So here it is. My uncle decided to add a racing stripe while I was painting the boot. But there you go. Just look at it. So happy. So happy with it. That's it, there are brush marks. It's not perfect, but it's all one colour. The boot I am extremely happy with. Look at that. Oh yes. And all of it was done with a brush. Nearly all of it was done with a brush, to be fair. We did a bit of rollering. So I know a couple of people was asking about brush marks. Let me see if I can find, yeah, you can see some there. But again, this is all getting silent coat anyway, so I've decided I'm going to do strips. I need to put the floor bungs in, that's next. That's what I'm going to video doing next for you, because I didn't video much of me painting the floor because I just got on with it. We had the music going. Sorry, I can't stop videoing it. Just look at it. Oh, it's so cool. It's so cool. So yeah, it's a lot of people are going to tell me it looks like Surf Blue, and I suppose it does, to be fair. But if you park this next to a Surf Blue, I don't think it will look like Surf Blue. So that's where that's at anyway. But yeah, I'll take it back inside and we'll start putting the floor bungs in. Right then, I'm not sure how much you can see, but hopefully you can see enough. So these are these little, is that going to catch it? Yeah, hopefully. These are these little metal floor bungs that people seem to be using nowadays rather than the rubber ones. I am going to use a combination of the rubber ones, and I'll show you where and I'll show you why after I've done this one. So got little prongs on the back there, and this seal, yeah, that you heat up, and hopefully that should create a seal really and stop water coming in. So the plan is you push it in like so. You make sure it's pointing straight forward. That impresses Alex too. I already know because I've sent him a picture of some that I've already done, and he's very excited. Little things, eh? So let me put the cable on the back there, so I'm not heating the cable. Now I spoke to Mark Draper about how to do this, and this sounds like a tried and tested. He says use a heat gun and use something to push it down, not your finger and not a blowtorch, which sounds to me like it's a tried and tested method. And he's failed. So this is what I've got. I've got a screwdriver and I've got a heat gun. So I'll speed this bit up, but this is basically it. And that is basically it. I want to keep pressure on it for a bit longer, just while that seal then cures. I'm not overly impressed with them, to be quite honest with you. I thought the seal would disappear more. I don't know if you keep heating it, I don't know. But these will do for what I need anyway. Again, it's it's going to have sound ending over here, so you won't be able to see it anyway, but it just causes seal. There we go. So that's now part of the car. So what I'll do is I'll get on with the rest of them. I'll come back and show you that I've done the rest of them so you can see, and I'll explain where I'm using rubber ones and a couple of reasons why. So as you can see, they're now part of the car. So two there, one there, hole there, one over there, where is it? There, hole there, one there, and two in the back there, and they're all painted and now part of the car. So these are what they are. So you've got this little seal that you heat up, and then these prongs you bend over. So next time he bend over. He bend over on the underside of the car. So next time I'm underneath the car, that's what I'll be doing. I'll be making sure all them prongs are straight, and that gives it just that extra bit of leverage. So why have I left two out? Well, there's two reasons. One, I've only got one left, and it was like, what do I do? So I was just gonna, but knowing minis and knowing mini, what they're called, heater matrix that sits just there on them brackets that you can see, they leak. And I just thought, you know what, just in case, that's it. I had one less anyway, so I'll fit rubber bungs into these, and if I do have any problems, then I'm good. But, and again, it's the same with the rear now. So the rubber bungs are in the floor there, and these will be getting rubber bungs as well. I'm not gonna mess around with them. Plus, I'm not overly excited about them floor bungs, but they're going to be covered over anyway. So yeah, pretty happy with that. Just look at it. Just look at it. Mini seats out of Toons Sprite, I think it was. Proper comfy to be fair, but these aren't staying, but they'll do for now. I've got something else lined up, you'll see that soon. Anyway, so I painted it with a roller and a paintbrush, and I am extremely happy with the results. Extremely happy. For what I want and for what I'm going for, yeah, I'd definitely do it again. So cost wise, it was £19 a litre, and it's called QAD Industrial Paint. It dries very fast, especially today's the hottest day of the year and I've been using a heat gun. Yay. Anyway, £19 a litre. I've gone through a litre and a half, so I've still got half a litre to do whatever I want with. So, and then, I don't know, 15, 20 quid on sundries like, I use Scotch Brights to just key the paint and a bit of sandpaper, and I used roller, but I've still got a full roller pack because I didn't bother using that, and I've probably gone through, I don't know, 5-6 paintbrushes, something like that. They're really cheap, without, you know, terps or whatever costs more than that to clean the bloody brushes. I know it's not good for environment and stuff, but hey, it is what it is. So that's it for this episode, I think. I'm getting so much work done now that I can just come up after work and crack on. It's good fun. So next, I don't know what's going to be next, so it'll be a surprise for you as much as a surprise for me. I'm going to go back home and sort some stuff out, and then I'm going to make a list for next time I'm up here. In fact, it'll probably be the sound deadening, putting the sound deadening in. That might be a good idea. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great day.